Hi everybody. So this is a video about how to scan a document using your iPhone. So by scan a document, I mean you have something you wrote down on paper and you want to take a picture of it and share it with somebody else, your instructor, email it to somebody, so on. But this process of scanning gives you a better picture than just a regular photo. So this video is about using an iPhone. There's a separate video about how to do it on an Android phone, which looks a little different. So let's get started. On an iPhone, you're going to use the Notes app, which is built in, so you should already have it. So if you tap on the Notes app, you're going to get a screen that looks something like this. It's going to list whatever notes you had here. The thing you're looking for is in the bottom right. It's this little pencil icon for make a new note. So when you tap that, you'll get a screen that is just a blank note. From there, tap the camera icon that shows up. This is the key. So when you tap the camera icon, you'll get a little menu that asks how you want to take a photo. So this is how you're going to actually scan the document. You want to do the scan document option. You want the top one here. When you do that, when you choose scan documents, you will see a regular take a photo screen. So it'll just have you take a picture. And the nice thing, I can't show you easily on here, is that when you take a picture of whatever your handwritten document is, it'll actually automatically recognize that document if it can. It'll show you a little yellow highlight. But even if it doesn't do that, just line up your document as best you can, take a picture, and once you're done with that, it'll show you something like this, right? Drag near the corners to adjust. So this little outline is telling the app where the actual document is that you care about. So if you don't think it's a good enough picture, if it's blurry, you can retake, but otherwise keep the scan. Okay, so when you keep the scan, you will get something that looks like this. I should mention there's one more step in there where you can actually add another page. So you can keep scanning additional ones. And you can see here, I actually scanned several different documents, and I'm just going to put them all together in one. This strange thing at the top is iOS's attempt to auto-read my handwriting, which didn't turn out so well. Okay, but what's happened is you've got these nicely scanned documents, right? They've got a white background, they're cropped, they're brighter, they're a lot better to share with someone than a regular photo. So what do you do with this now? So you've got a document here, it's a note. You want to tap this share, right, or export button in the top right. And that's going to let you send these files to somewhere else. So when you do that, it'll have a whole bunch of options and you'll have to choose the most appropriate thing. You can email it, you can download it to your files, you can airdrop it to a computer. There's all sorts of options. Whatever it is, you'll have a file that you can then upload to Blackboard or email or do whatever you'd like to do with. This is a wonderful thing. Please use it for your documents. It makes them much more readable if you've done them by hand. And if you want to know how to do this on an Android phone, check out my other video.